Hi guys, I'm having acne breakout. Look at my face. Look at. I don't know. I'm stressed out. I'm doing exams and other things. Not that I'm not taking my skincare routine seriously. I am doing my skincare, but I don't know whether my skin is now rejecting my skincare or it's not working, or my acne breakout is being caused by other things. There are three things that might likely cause you acne breakout. One is if your pores is clogged by oil, maybe oil that your face produces, which is sebum, or oil from products you use like makeup or other skincare products. If you don't wash it, cleanse and double cleanse properly, which I know that I've not been doing quite for some time now, your pores will be clogged and acne will break out. The second reason might be from bacteria, which might be transferred from one thing to another, maybe your pillow, your face towel, one way or the other. Even touching your face with dirty hands can transfer bacteria to your face, which can also cause acne breakout. Which now brings me to the last reason, which is dead skin cells. If you're not exfoliating for a while, the dead skin produced by your skin is not being exfoliated. So this is another reason that might cause you acne breakout, you see. So why I feel dead skin is also part of it, because I've not been exfoliating lately. So I decided to try out a DIY by this creator here, Short Time Secret. I've been doing DIYs for a while. If you check my video, you will see some DIY I have done in the past. This DIY is done with coffee, sugar. She used yogurt, but I'm not using yogurt. I'm gonna use honey. Just sit tight and watch and see how I'm going to do it. After this DIY, I'm going to go serious with my skincare routine, and also buy new skincare products, to bring my skin back to its former glory. Sit tight and watch me do it. You add coffee and ground sugar. Sugar acts as a physical exfoliant, gently bluffing away dead skin cells and promoting brighter, smoother skin. The sugar particles can also help loosen dirt and debris trapped within pores. Coffee offers additional exfoliation with slightly coarse texture. They may also help stimulate blood circulation, giving the skin a temporary brightening effect. While honey is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture in the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple, honey contains antibacterial properties that can also help combat blemishes, promotes healing. So these three ingredients mixed together is very, very good to exfoliate the dead skin that might be causing me acne breakout, revealing a younger looking skin, which will help kill the bacteria that is causing me this breakout. This mixture is so nice. After using it, then you can continue with your skincare routines. You can see if your skin is rejecting a particular skincare product, you change it. Like me, I'm going to get another vitamin C, get another sunscreen and another face cream, because I realize that my face is rejecting the ones I'm currently using. This mixture will leave you feeling so soft, supple and well exfoliated. I know we don't normally exfoliate our faces with body scrub. Some of us buy body scrub, use it to scrub only our body. We don't normally exfoliate our faces, so thereby leaving it clogged with dead skin cells and pores from oil and maybe from remnant of our skincare product or makeup product. So give this a try and come to the comment section and tell me how you feel.
scrubbing pad and scrub it off. This process